Most people get this wrong. They think all rewards credit cards are created equal. But the surprising truth is that the Combank Awards credit card is unique in how it handles points, perks, and fees. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know before you apply. Starting with rewards, the Combank Awards credit card lets you earn points on every dollar you spend. Typically, you get 1 point per dollar won on everyday purchases and bonus points on categories like travel or dining depending on the version of the card you choose. Points can be redeemed for flights, gift cards, merchandise, or even statement credits. For frequent shoppers and travelers, this can add up quickly. One of the biggest advantages is flexibility. Unlike some programs that lock you into specific airlines or retailers, Combank points can be transferred to multiple loyalty programs, making it easier to use them for what you actually want. Fees and interest are important. The card does carry an annual fee ranging from moderate to high depending on the version, and interest rates are above average if you carry a balance. That means this card is best for people who pay off their balance in full every month to maximize rewards without paying extra fees. The surprising truth about this card is that while the rewards are solid, it's not for everyone. If you are a low spender or don't plan to pay off your balance, the interest and fees could outweigh the points you earn. But if you strategically use it for everyday purchases and high spend categories, it's a powerful tool to earn valuable rewards. In conclusion, the Combank Awards credit card is ideal for people who want flexibility in redeeming points, earn rewards on regular spending, and pay off balances monthly. It's not a beginner card, but for savvy users, it can be very rewarding. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to maximize your rewards.